Hello, my classics! I have some stories for you, which is why today is a Get Ready With Me concert edition. That's right, I'm going to my very first concert ever today. It is an In This Moment Hailstorm concert, and they're my two favorite bands, and I'm super excited. I'm like seriously stoked. I barely slept last night. Anyway, oh my gosh. Mother's Day was eventful. I got to go out with green face, which apparently turned out really, really good. I liked it. I actually did. My parents didn't. Who cares? I'm an adult. And this is how I adult. Tim got me a hollow backpack. Amazon find. I love it. And on Mother's Day, in the evening, I'm going to talk while I get started. We're going to try some new tricks today. I won't deny I tried to practice a few things, and mostly I just made a mess. Yeah. So, start by taking the eyebrows off because we gotta do everything. Mother's Day, we went to Famous Dave's for lunch. And then late in the evening, we had a late dinner where we actually, I hadn't had lobster since I was like 10 years old. And then I had it only because my grandpa let me get some red lobster as a special treat, and I hadn't had lobster since, but I loved it then. So we bought some lobster tails, cooked them up, and ate them. The kids went nuts. They loved them. They went insane over them. I liked it just fine, and then I got itchy all over. Suddenly I felt like I got dropped into a vat of fire ants, like hardcore allergic reaction of the histamine effect, and it was miserable. I did go to the ER for it, and they did give me medicine for it, but I got in return all this added even more. So I'm going to try to go easy on some of the makeup today because my face is still recovering from me clawing it. I had done my nails real pretty, and then like literally I scratched my nails so hard I popped my peelies off. Bummer. But I also have reason to believe that that is from sugar. I've been taking in too much sugar. And that's another thing I want to talk about. For the last couple months, I have immense victories. Start right here. For the last couple months, I have been going to the gym and working out a little bit. I mean, I had like a total of like a week where I didn't go though because I felt like crap. But for the most part, I've been going, and it has been doing me quite well because I fit into size 14 pants. I haven't done that since before I got pregnant with Brandon. So 5 years plus. I feel pretty good about myself for that. I actually have a pair of pants that Tim handed me, that I've had in storage for so long, I don't remember them. Now, isn't that just a little crazy? I'm going in with my Ulta blender that comes with the fun little ring that I use to prop it up when I'm not using it. That way it's not rolling around in the sink or anything like that. Although everything else always winds up rolling around in the sink because I'm constantly knocking stuff into it. Okay. The more I've used this Burt's Bees foundation, the more I like it. Like, it's definitely growing on me. Aha! Oh, bad idea. Oh, that looks lovely. Big white streak. Kind of defeats the purpose of dyeing my hair, don't you think? Because I was feeling kind of down. Whenever I feel down, like I feel like I need to change something up, so I'll rearrange a room of furniture. But some people, they don't like that. Even the kids don't much like that. They don't like it when I rearrange stuff. So I've had to stop. I started doing that though when I was a lot younger, where I'd rearrange furniture. That's not a new thing for me, but sometimes I just need something to be fresh and new, so I dyed my hair. Let's see, what else? I'm super stoked about seeing my two favorite bands, like, in concert tonight. This is my first concert ever. I've never been to a concert. What have I been doing with myself? Well, that's easy. I've been being a mom. I'm going to try to do a special fancy concert style makeup, and that's actually why this video is so late, because I decided to do it today, not yesterday like I normally would have, so that I could film this the day of, have my concert makeup. Sorry I moved you just now. My bad. Another fun thing that's happened is, as a apology for getting me sick, or for my allergic reaction, I guess, Law's got me a new SD card, one that actually might not stop after 12 minutes. So today we're testing that out. It's one that supposedly is meant... These are dramatic eyebrows today, aren't they? I'm gonna go with it. But anyway, it's meant to last longer. It's like 90. It records, instead of like a 50 megs per second buffer, it's got a 90. So I've been in the bathroom doing videos because then I could see the back of the camera with the mirror. I might not have to do that anymore. How exciting is that? It is so hot in here that I'm literally powdering myself down to avoid streakiness and weirdness going on here. But I'm gonna leave my bake on, but the rest of it I'm brushing off. Like I'm brushing into the skin, buffing it in. Now, I'm going to try to do see, the shirt I've got is this black shirt. I got it in the guys department at Walmart like a couple years ago. And it's got the Grim Reaper standing with a lantern in the side. And underneath it says, sometimes I just show up to see the look on people's faces. So I'm gonna wear that and a pair of black slacks. And I was gonna wear like my full leather jacket, it's not real leather, trust me. I have no real leather. But I was gonna wear that too, but it's so hot. And it's supposed to stay so hot that I'm not. Because today it's like 80 plus degrees and it's only supposed to get down to maybe 75 tonight. And then tomorrow it's gonna be 80 plus again. So we're not doing that. That'll be miserable. And see, there's little highlights of blue in the shirt. It's mostly though like grays and dark tones because it's the Grim Reaper. And I saw it years ago, back when I was really still very punk goth, and I was like, I need this in my life. I'm gonna start, of course, with my usual base color that I'm gonna use as a transition shade. I've been playing around with a lot of makeup ideas. I'm thinking of trying to do like it totally turned off. Okay. I've been tossing around some eye color ideas, which includes like a pretty and pink and purple sort of unicorn coloring. I'm gonna try to grab this black and not kill it. Blend that out. But I'm thinking of trying some, and that would be the entire face, the crazy unicorn color, like pinks and purples. Right now, this is kind of actually turning out to be a happy accident, isn't it? Getting a pretty cool smoky eye going here. Because I mean, like, I know Nikki's tutorials only did green, but who's to say we should be limited to just one color in terms of a, you know, a color challenge? If you get this palette, just remember there's like a huge amount of fallout. So when you tap the brush, like watch. I don't know if you can see that. Huge fallout. So that's looking pretty nice and even. Why did I close that? I'm gonna pull that smokiness, I'm gonna try to anyways, down into the lower lash. Very, very carefully though. Like, you do not need to smudge this hard. I'm just going to add some white to blend that out a little into the rest of the look. All right, now I thought about like carving out the lid and like doing another go on the black and like really pressing it on there. But I decided I just kind of want to use this shimmery, glittery, white shimmer called Frost in this Ulta glitter top coat palette that I've got. It is totally annihilated by the kids, but I'm going to go in with Frost. I'm going to actually do something that I'm still learning how to do. Gotta find the right brush for it. Here we go. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pick up some of the Frost and then I'm gonna spitz it. Then I'm just gonna press it into the light spot to create a really cool shimmery effect. And I'm gonna do it again for the other eye. Ta-da! Trying to decide if I want to do a winged eyeliner or not. I don't think I do want to do a full-on winged. I think I'm just going to like coat the lid a little bit, just the bottom part, to kind of accentuate the shape of my eyes. And by the way, I've got some really cool pictures of 60s makeup, and that video is coming up for you soon, because the 60s is where makeup got interesting. I can fix that. I can fix that. I can fix anything when I use glitter. And I think that that looks nice. Just kind of like unlining. Go with it. We'll go with it. I'm still stopping every like 12 minutes, so I'm trying again. Now I'm going to brush off my bake and continue on. I'm not going to put falsies on because being as this is my first concert, I'd like to see it. And I find that I have a hard time seeing things through falsies. I really got to reorganize this thing. Ah, there you are. You're lurking in the corner, aren't you? Going with my normal steps, but a little heavier than normal. Now I'm going to use the actual bronzer side that I never use instead of blush, because I want to keep the rest of my face fairly neutral. Then we're going to take this super skinny brush and we're going to get the highlighter. We're only going to put it dampingly in a few key spots. Oh hey, guess what guys, I think I just cracked the code on how people actually get that shine with this stuff. They use a damp brush. Trying to figure that out for a while. Couldn't figure out why what I was using wasn't doing the same thing that it does on other people's faces. Because that's a nice shine, and I'm finally seeing it for the first time ever. That's pretty. That turned out pretty. Now, one rule of thumb is don't go with a bold eye if you're gonna do a bold lip, and vice versa. So what I know with this you'll remember is from the A Million Night palette set that I got and tried out. This is one of the matte shades. It's like the one shade that I keep grabbing because it is a really pretty rosy neutral lip. It has a tendency to let your rest of your makeup take the foreground, and without any, I mean honestly, look at that. It's a really nice neutral lip to pair with a smoky eye, which by the way, first smoky eye ever. Yes, I gotta say it turned out pretty nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and set with some setting spray because I want this to stay all day. It's only the middle of the day. The concert doesn't start till 6. I will also be showing you when I get it, all the pieces, because the shirt's in the washer because it was in storage. I'll show you my outfit as well. So, and the pants are a size large. You know how long it's been since I've had something that didn't have an X in front of it? Or multiple X's? I really let myself go. And then I decided to take responsibility for what I was doing to myself. And before you say it in the comments, I agree, the eyebrows are a little janky. I could have done a better job. In fact, I really should have done a better job. I should have, before I got to the rest of it, I should have redone them. But now it's too late, so we'll just deal. Hot. Oh, it's so warm in here. That turned out really neat. I'm pretty proud. I'll see you in a little bit in my full outfit. All right, everybody, here I am. It's getting close to time to go. I came outside so you could get a real look of it, and I'm gonna show you my outfit of the day. Everybody, I want to thank you all so much for enjoying this Get Ready With Me I hope you liked this video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up for me, and if you'd like me to try any other like color challenges but with different colors, drop a comment down below with the color that you think I should try out, because it seems like a lot of fun, and you can be a combination of colors. I can try to make anything work. So, bye, see you, love you, always thinking of you. Have a really great day. Don't let anyone get you down. Don't let anyone dull your sparkle. Remember, do it with passion or not at all. I'm going home. I'll never stop. Stay long.